Take garlic, but don't make the same mistake. Many people do. Most people take garlic completely wrong, and they waste its most powerful healing effect without even realizing it. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural medicines in the world. It fights viruses, bacteria, inflammation, and even helps protect the heart. Yet if you take garlic the wrong way, you could lose almost all of its power. Most people chop it, cook it, or mix it with the wrong foods, and then wonder why nothing changes. Today we're going to reveal what really happens when garlic enters your body, and the shocking mistake millions of people make that destroys its main healing compound. We'll also show you exactly how to fix that, step by step. This one tip can change everything. Garlic is praised all over the world. Every health magazine talks about it. Almost every culture uses it in cooking. But here's what nobody tells you. Garlic only works if you use it in a very specific way. Why? Because its healing compound called allicin is fragile, very fragile. And the way you treat garlic decides whether your body gets allicin or not. Let me explain. Allicin is the compound that gives garlic its power. It's antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and supports the immune system. But there's a catch. Garlic doesn't naturally contain allicin. It only produces it after it's crushed or chopped, and even then, only under certain conditions. Here's the big mistake. Most people crush garlic, then cook it. That one step, cooking, kills allicin. Allicin is heat sensitive. It breaks down when exposed to heat. So if you cook garlic right after chopping, you start getting almost none of the benefit. That's why people say, I eat garlic every day, but nothing changes. They're doing it wrong. Let's break this down even further. There are three main ways people use garlic. They cook it in soups, stews, stir-fries. Smells great, tastes great, but the heat kills most of the medicine. They swallow it whole to avoid the smell and taste, but this skips the step that actually creates allicin. They chew or crush it and wait. This is the only way that works if done correctly. Let's go deeper. When garlic is whole, it contains two key compounds, olein and oleanase. These two never interact until the garlic is crushed or chopped. That's when they combine to form allicin. But it takes 10 minutes for allicin to fully form after you crush the garlic. So here's the trick. Crush your garlic, then wait 10 minutes before eating or cooking it. That's it, 10 minutes. That's the difference between a powerful anti-inflammatory food and a useless seasoning. Let's compare two people. Maria chops garlic and throws it right into her pan. It tastes great, but the allicin is gone before it reaches her plate. David crushes garlic and lets it sit for 10 minutes before using it raw in a salad dressing. He gets the full medicinal dose. Now let's talk about how to actually take garlic the right way. Method 1, swallow it whole, but do this first. Many people try to avoid garlic's strong taste by swallowing cloves whole. That can work, but only if you prepare it right. Here's what to do. Take one small clove of garlic. Crush it slightly with the side of a knife, just enough to break it. Wait 10 minutes. Then swallow it with water, like a pill. Why this works: when you break the clove, you allow the allicin to form. By waiting 10 minutes, you make sure it's ready. Then swallowing it protects the allicin from being destroyed in the stomach. This method is great for immune system support, gut health, especially intestinal bacteria, killing parasites, reducing inflammation. Do this once a day, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. Method 2, crush it and eat it raw. If you can handle the taste, this is the most effective way to get garlic's full benefits. Here's how. Crush 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Let them sit for 10 minutes. Mix with honey, olive oil, or a bit of yogurt. Eat it raw. This method is ideal for lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol, supporting heart health, detoxing the liver. Warning: it's strong. You may feel heat or even light burning in the mouth or throat. That's normal. That's allicin doing its job. Method 3, garlic water. If raw garlic is too intense, garlic water is a gentler way. Steps: crush 2 cloves of garlic and let sit 10 minutes. Add to a glass of warm water, not boiling. Let steep for 5 minutes. Drink it slowly. You can add lemon or honey to help with flavor. This method is great for digestion, immune boosting, general detox. Method 4, garlic oil for joint pain. Garlic isn't just for eating, you can use it on your body too. How to make garlic oil. Crush 4 cloves of garlic. Let sit for 10 minutes. Mix with 1/4 cup of warm olive oil, not hot. Let sit for 30 minutes. Then strain. Use this oil to massage sore joints, knees, or even your temples for headaches. It helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Many seniors find it helps with arthritis pain. Combining methods for full benefits. If you really want the most from garlic, here's the daily routine you should follow. Morning, swallow 1 crushed garlic clove. Wait 10 minutes first lunch. Use raw crushed garlic in a salad or meal. Evening, drink garlic water to relax digestion. Weekly, apply garlic oil to joints if needed. This simple routine covers all bases: internal healing, heart health, immune boost, pain relief, detox. But remember, the most important rule of all: crush it, wait 10 minutes. That one step decides whether garlic helps you or not. Garlic is not just a food, it's a powerful natural medicine, but only if you treat it like one. Most people never get garlic's full power. They chop it and cook it. They swallow it whole without waiting. They skip the one step that really matters. But now, you know the truth. You know how to unlock garlic's hidden power. And once you start doing this every day, you'll feel the difference. Subscribe for more daily health wisdom like this,